With an average altitude of 4,500 meters, the Tibetan Plateau is called the roof of the world. The residents here live by raising yaks and sheep in a barren natural environment. The nature of the Tibetan Plateau presents a special gift that is available only for 50 days in a year, right after the snow has melted on the mountain. The word cordyceps carries the meaning of being an insect in winter and blooming as a plant in summer. It is the most precious medicine that is sold at the highest price in China. Cordyceps, the iconic health food beloved by Chinese emperors for thousands of years for the eternal youth. The extraordinary medicine and the subject of mystery as a bizarre life of half plant and half insect. Among this special and precious medicine, the gold cordyceps, its best breed, has finally been unveiled from its mysteriousness through successful artificial culturing in Korea. Cordyceps is known to grow only in alpine regions at 4,000 meters or over above sea level. A mushroom which grows through the infiltration of bacteria into an insect or insect larva is referred to as cordyceps. Cordyceps bacteria, species of mold, penetrate the skin into larva body. The bacteria then reproduce by being nourished by the insect. Unbearable insects are dying with changed its hard shape like a mummy. The bacteria grow with the insect as its host and become a mushroom inside the insect's body as temperature and humidity increase. The combination of this mushroom and the dead insect is called the cordyceps. What effects will this mysterious cordyceps have? One domestic research team in Korea that actively conducts studies on cordyceps has extracted the pure cordycepin contained in cordyceps. They inserted the cordycepin extract into a breast cancer cell strain and observed the results. And the result was astonishing. In 12 hours, the breast cancer cells in which cordycepin extract was inserted into started to die. Cordycepin induced cancer cells to die by suppressing the substances that induce the differentiation of cancer cells. As a next step, cordyceps extract was inserted into immune cells in the human body. The result of the experiment showed a decrease in the level of interferon gamma, a factor that induces the autoimmune disease. Cordyceps extract was found to be helpful to immune function by suppressing inflammatory response. It was previously known that the artificial culturing of cordyceps was almost impossible, but now that there has been a successful case in Korea, much attention is being drawn to it. A farm located in Dongjin, Chungnam, it is the place where the best breed of cordyceps, the gold cordyceps, is artificially cultured. Gold cordyceps grows with a pupa silkworm as its host. After 20 years of research and development, as well as a lot of trial and error, the artificial culturing of gold cordyceps has finally succeeded.
가장 싱싱한 균을 찾아내는 거예요. 그래서 그게 가장 어려웠고요. 그 균을 찾아내는데도 많은 시간이 걸렸고요. 이 균을 배양했다고 해서 금충치가 만들어지는 것이 아니고 여기에는 빛, 온도, 습도, 질소, 양 이 부분을 다 찾아내고 나서 지금 이제 금충초가 재배에 성공한 겁니다.
The culturing environment of gold cordyceps is very complicated. For artificial culture, good causative bacteria have to be collected from natural gold cordyceps first. Then the culturing process of these collected bacteria becomes critical. Good gold cordyceps require bacteria to be distributed with consistency and at appropriate density. The causative bacteria, which have been well cultured, are poured onto a pupa silkworm that went through sterilization. After that, the bacteria are cultured again for 15 days. Through the culture, the bacteria infiltrate into the pupa silkworm. The bacteria gradually grow with the pupa as a host. Successful artificial culturing is only feasible under optimal conditions. Only an elaborate process that includes everything from the extraction of causative bacteria to the culturing of bacteria can make a mushroom come into bloom on the surface. Gold cordyceps has all the effective substances that are contained in cordyceps, and the most representative ones among them are cordycepin and polysaccharin.
코디세핀이라고 하는 성분과 다당체의 함량이 기존의 자연산 동충하초보다 많게는 수백 배에서 만 배까지도 월등하게 함량이 높습니다. 그래서 코디세핀과 다당체 함량이 높다 보니까 그로 인해서 면역계의 평형을 잡아주는 효능이 굉장히 뛰어나고요. 그리고 통증이라든지 염증을 개선시키는 작용이 상당히 뛰어납니다.
Gold cordyceps, which has been successfully artificially cultured only by Korea's own technique, are only complete after the final drying phase. One kilogram of natural cordyceps costs almost 100 million won due to its rarity. However, as the effect of gold cordyceps has been scientifically proven to be superior to cordyceps, it is gaining more popularity over time. A precious medicine which only emperors could have in the past. Now, more people can experience the specialness of it. A mysterious life which exists as an insect in the winter and comes out as a mushroom in the summer. Cordyceps is more than just a medicinal herb. It is a present of God to humans. They are people who want to experience that mysterious power of the cordyceps. Recently, as the effects of gold cordyceps have been scientifically proven to be superior to natural cordyceps, new light has been shed on gold cordyceps. Gold cordyceps, reborn with long research and effort. As the artificial culturing of gold cordyceps, the best breed of cordyceps has succeeded. The new history of cordyceps now begins.